In this video, I will show you how to change language on your TCL Smart TV. Now over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but following the same steps, you should be able to change the language of any TCL Smart TV you have, whether it's the TCL Google TV or the TCL Roku TV. And also, if you're stuck in a different language that you do not understand, I will show you how to locate the language settings and change your language back to English or any language you want. Now first things first, to change the language of your TCL Smart TV from the home of the TV, you just want to head over to the settings icon at the top right corner of the TV. Now from the settings, you just want to scroll down until you get to device preferences over here, click on it, and from here you should be able to see the language option over here. Go ahead and select it, and then from here you want to go ahead and select any language you want as your preferred language on your TCL Smart TV. In my case, I will just go ahead and change it to English US over here, and automatically the language of my TCL Smart TV will change. You can literally see the TV just restarted itself automatically. But then if you're stuck in a different language, say like the French language over here, and you do not know how to navigate to the language settings of your TCL Smart TV, basically what you just want to do is to scroll over to the settings icon again at the top right corner. You can literally see the settings icon over here. Just go ahead and forget the writings because you do not understand it. Go ahead and click on the settings icon. From the settings, you just want to scroll down to this option, which is this TV icon over here. This is actually the device preferences option. Go ahead and select it just like so. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you see this world icon over here. Go ahead and select it. And from here, you can now go ahead and select back your language to whatever you want. So you can go ahead and change it back to English or whatever language you prefer. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.